a $300 intake, that sounded insane, man. Hopefully, that is what we're gonna hear with this carbon fiber intake, or I'm gonna rage and I'm gonna run it over with my car. So basically, we finally got the intake to the Volvo, and I know it's gonna sound phenomenal. And I'm gonna show you guys how we install it and clip sounds at the end of this intake.
Now this Volvo is almost ready to go stage 1, but it's missing the intake. But let's recap what we've done to this thing. We have got this big inlet from Elevate, and we have also got an exhaust. I'm gonna put a clip right now. And also, we have got the torque mount.
This is going to make a huge difference. This bushing was on its last legs. It was old, rotten. I mean, look at it and look at the new one.
Out of it.
Now that's everything that we need to go stage 1. So let's get this install in now.
The first thing we have to do to remove this airbox is take out the ECU, because Volvo engineers, for some reason, decided to incorporate the ECU into the airbox. That's just, I have no idea who was smoking on some crack that day. Oh my God.
Oh no. Why did you use your small picks?
I don't know, that's not good.
Yeah.
All right, we got the ECU wires out of the way. We probably are gonna have to undo the tape on them, which is a little sketch. But next, we gotta get this mass airflow sensor out, and the box should come out. There are a couple vacuum lines here that we do have to remove as well. No, no, no. Well, you're supposed to use a wrench.
Good job. It is time to get this box out. It should just kind of really pull up.
Oh no.
Oh, wait. Sensor. Okay. So very careful. We're just unbolting the ECU, guys, just so we can rip this box out. This box, guys, has taken us forever.
It is horrible.
Yeah, but we think we are there. Yay!
Don't throw it, don't throw it.
I'm not throwing it. If you made it this far in, let us know what you guys want to see us do more to this Volvo or even our BMW. We got the other project going on, the E46. Make sure to leave a like and let's get back into this video. All right, this is all the stuff that gave us for the intake. This is the intake, and it's a true cold air intake. It's going to be routed basically where it's pulling air from the outside. All right, so here is the carbon fiber. I don't know if it's real. We're gonna say it's real. It's matte. Anyways, here's the metal piece that goes onto our inlet. Okay, I know these brackets go for this. These are the two other brackets. These go together. Silicone, blue little silicone sleeve. Second blue silicone sleeve. It's two metal brackets. This is for the ECU. A little scary looking. Yeah, these instructions don't really tell us anything, so we're just gonna be winging it, alright guys? And let's hope for the best. Alright guys, we're just putting the sensor on for the inlet, and we have this clamped on. Just connecting the mass airflow sensor. See that? Alright guys, we got the mass airflow sensor on. Now we can put on this blue rubber hose.
We finally got it on, and it was a pain in the I mean, seriously, it was hard to put this thing on. This is really sketchy, the ECU setup. Just look at this. It's being held on by one bolt. That is so unsafe, low-key, a fire hazard, because this is going to get hot. Look how close it is here. So I kind of feel sketched about this intake, but we're going to fire it up and see what happens.
my god. It sounds so good now.
We're about to get some fire sounds for you guys of this intake. It sounds insane. All right, now let's do a little bit of a recap. So what do we have so far? We have the beautiful intake that you guys just heard. We have the turbo pipe, and we have the full exhaust on our car. So we are nowhere near as fast as an RS3, but we are going to get there. That is our goal. We're going to next get the ported manifold. We're going to get it downpipe. We're going to tune this thing and hopefully get a big turbo eventually. But for now, this is what we're working with, and I absolutely love this vehicle.
Now, we are stage 1 right now. We don't have the tune yet. We're going to get the tune when we're stage 2 fully. But technically, this is ready to go stage 1. So our goal is to go fully stage 3 at some point. And we will hopefully be able to get an RS3 to come out and actually see if
Hold up, not even get. We should buy an RS3 for this channel, and we should race some neck and neck and see which one is better. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the video today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed the sound. Let us know down below if you think this thing sounds good or completely not. But like always, until next time, peace.